हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In the evolution of marketing, the production period ended in option 1 late 1800s, option 2 after the Second World War, option 3 in the 1920s, and option 4 early 20th century. And the correct answer is option 3 in the 1920s. According to Flip Kotler, marketing is option 1 a science, option 2 an art, option 3 both science and art, and option 4 none of the above. And the correct answer is option 3 both science and art. Which concept holds that consumer will favor the products that are easily available at an affordable price? Option 1 production concept, option 2 product concept, option 3 marketing concept, and option 4 production cost concept. The correct answer is option 2 product concept. Which part of the consumer's income interests the marketers? Option 1 gross income, option 2 disposal income, option 3 inflationary income, and option 4 discretionary income. And the correct answer is option 4 discretionary income. Catalogs, sponsor events, and digital media presence are closely associated with the marketing mix activity of option 1 product development, option 2 pricing, option 3 promotion, and option 4 sales. And the correct answer is option 3 promotion. Easily adopters and opinions leaders tend to option 1 buy new products in their circles first and voice their opinions. Option 2 buy tried and tasted products. Option 3 being from upper class users from other classes are followers. And option 4 don't take risks easily. And the correct answer is option 1 buy new products in their circles first and voice their opinions. To achieve market expansion, a company must option 1 use distribution channels more effectively, option 2 use advertising campaigns more effectively, and option 3 price their products more strategically, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 4 all of the above. In the service industry, how many PS comprise the marketing mix? Option 1 4 PS, option 2 7 PS, option 3 10 PS, and option 4 8 PS. And the correct answer is option 2 7 PS. Which period work on the marketing philosophy of a good product will sell itself? Option 1 marketing, option 2 production, option 3 sales, and option 4 relationship. And the correct answer is option 2 production. Which of the following describes diversification? Option 1 new products in new markets, option 2 new product in existing market, option 3 existing product in an existing market, and option 4 existing product in new markets. And the correct answer is option 1 new product in new markets. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।